Okay, so it's officially Valentine's door. Shut up. I made it up. Joe, tell them. It's Valentine's door. And, are you taking me out? Oh. I mean, I even ironed a dress. Yep. Yep. That's usually the answer I get. It's usually the answer I get. He's mad. All right, I won't ask you anymore. I just thought that maybe once, once. I'm not asking for a lot, man. I even put on my strawberry earrings to match shirt. That doesn't match, Christina. The fruits match, Christina. I'm not schizophrenic, I promise. I'm not. Sometimes I hear voices, but they say nice things to me. They tell me I'm pretty when I don't feel pretty. Is that schizophrenia? I don't know.